welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a blessed day today. I thought that we would do a kind of get ready with me using LaColors products. Some of them are new, and I thought we would do a little chatty chat, explain. There's been like a week that I typically upload Monday through Friday, but there has been a week where I've been missing days. I don't know if anybody noticed or not, but Connor and I took a code and it took us a week and a half to get over that crap. I even had to cancel his birthday party. We had to do just like me, John, my mom, and Connor, like a little small party with Allie was there because I was babysitting. We were still getting over it, but we did a little bitty party at home, and that was really cute, fun for him. But unfortunately, like I said, we had to cancel his birthday party. So all that prepping and planning and we ended up getting sick. So during the start of our sickness, we have two small dogs, Oscar and Cujo. And Oscar decided one day that he was going to go outside of our yard, which is not like abnormal. He's a dog. The neighbor's dog had been in heat, and for whatever reason, like they have some chained up dogs and our neighbors at the neighbors, and one of them's a big husky, and for whatever reason, when Oscar went in their yard, they decided, now we've never had issues with these neighbors at all, they're really friendly and nice, and for whatever reason they decided to unchain their husky dog. And there being a small dog over there in heat, the husky dog attacked Oscar, and so we've been nursing a puppy back to health. Yes, my little baby dog. Which he's not really a baby. He's an old man now. But yes, and this dog viciously attacked him. The neighbor did get him to stop, but I can't understand why they would unhook that huge dog on our small dog for just being in their yard, when this is not the first time that our dog has come in their yard or anything like that. Like I said, we've had no issues. So we've been nursing Oscar back to health, and we're going on about 2.5 weeks now, so he is doing much better. He had a huge gash, very fleshy wound in his hind leg, so that was kind of scary and touch and go, but he is on the mend, you guys, so thank the Lord for that. Another thing I wanted to talk about while we did makeup stuff is I realized I say this a lot in my videos. I am a Christian. I believe in the Lord. I love Jesus. So I had been thinking about this, that in the videos I've been talking about how I like Little Peep and Noah Cyrus and all these bands that aren't really Christian. And so I wanted to tell you guys some of my favorite Christian bands, and I'm gonna leave some of my favorite songs linked below because I can't remember the names of all of them. There's so many, but number one right now, my favorite Christian band is Casting Crowns. They are awesome, they're amazing, and I just love that band. So many great praise songs, and I'm gonna leave a bunch of those songs linked below. I really like the Even When You're Running, I can remember that one. Nobody. I like some Mercy Me songs, that's another Christian band. Newsboys, I like some of their songs. They do God's Not Dead. Some of my other favorite Christian songs are Nothing But the Blood. These are from Ode Hymnals. Mary Did You Know, I absolutely love Mary Did You Know. I'll Fly Away, love that one as well. So many good praise songs, you guys. Christian bands, Christian songs, and if I can think of any more that I forgot to mention, I will link them below as well. You know, God is always there for us. He never leaves. We think he leaves, but really we're the ones turning our backs on the Lord, you guys. Now, in this day and age now, like, the Lord is coming back. Walk close with the Lord and pray for your family, pray for your neighbors. Just continue your walk in faith and loving the Lord. That's what I'm continuing to do, even though that's not typically a lot of stuff that I talk about on my channel, but I do say in my channel that I am a Christian, and a lot of you probably remember that and know that. And so, you know, even when times are hard, don't turn your back on the Lord. Just continue to pray. Give your problems to God. Quit taking them back. Give your problems to God. He will make a way. Even when you see or feel that there's no way, the Lord always makes a way. And I have answered prayers. My Connor baby is an answered prayer. Me and my husband were trying to conceive for almost 5 years, you guys. And we kept praying about it and being upset and depressed about it, you guys. And I just, one day, I gave it to the Lord at a prayer meeting, at a women's prayer meeting we had at church. And it wasn't a few weeks later, because I truly gave it to God, that I was pregnant. So my Connor baby is a miracle baby, prayer baby. So I thank the Lord every single day, and always don't forget to be thanking the Lord for everything, even down to the shirt on your back, the shoes on your feet, the dirty dishes, because that means that you and your family ate. Always be giving thanks to the Lord. And I know a lot of you are Christians too, so I thought you would enjoy this Chatty Get Ready With Me video. And I thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already, you guys. Check the description box for additional links, and stay tuned. Hope you all are having that blessed day, and thank you again for watching.